Do you know your exact life purpose? You know your destiny. I'm going to show you 3 ways you can figure it out. I'm also going to give you, people always asking me, I'm here in the backyard, they're asking me for like a little crib style tour. So it's a pretty cool house. I wasn't born in Beverly Hills. I was born in the not so good side of town, but and not too long ago I was sleeping on a couch in a mobile home, $47 in my bank account. What I'm going to show you 3 things today, what my mentors taught me, which helped me. You know, it's a lot cooler life I have now. This is a 56 door house, got I think 18 bedrooms, 18 bathrooms, 16 bedrooms. It's pretty cool. I'll show you, I'll give you this little, got my soccer court here. I mean soccer field, mini soccer field. My favorite thing is basketball. Tennis, basketball. Can play 24/7 here. And you know, if you're trying to figure out what to do, maybe you have a job that you like, or maybe you feel stuck. I read that 85% of people don't like their career. And that all comes back to this question of what is your destiny? You know, this is the gym. Make sure you stay in shape. Found that to be important. All the money in the world, all the success in the world doesn't matter if you're not healthy. But that's for another conversation. To find your life's purpose, I think, is why we're on the planet. You know, somebody once said, the purpose of life is to find your purpose. There's some truth to that. I don't mean it in a cheesy way. You know, I don't mean it like some crazy hippie understanding of it. This is my dojo. I box, do Muay Thai, do some jiu-jitsu. I'll show you the movie theater. I don't mean it in a crazy sense. I mean having clarity in life. You know, and what I found in my life is when I was sleeping on that couch with no money, I felt lost and I felt hopeless. And the modern school system doesn't help you out. Our education system is in chaos. You go through it, you don't understand your strengths, you don't understand your weaknesses. People spend 40 years doing the wrong thing. You don't ever want that to be you. Build your life around your strengths. But that means you have to know yourself. And I'm going to give you some tests you can do. I'm going to put a link. It'll take you to my website. Some free tests, some free information that changed my life. I traveled to 50 countries, finding mentors, multimillionaires. I read thousands of books. This is the movie theater. It's got 12 seats. Got a little basketball on. Poker room. Pool. Got the jacuzzi here. Cabanas. And the main house. We were in the guest house there. So as you're watching this, you know, ask yourself this question. How much clarity do you feel you have? Do you feel like you could be doing more, but you're a little lost? You don't know the steps? I did not know them. I came through the education system. I was born, my mom was a single mom, and I had to learn this the hard way, and I'll show you these things. I'm gonna put a link. It's either somewhere above or below. You click it, it's absolutely free. It takes you to my website. I recorded a quick and easy, but more in-depth video. I don't want this one to be too long. I know you're busy, but if you click this link, it'll take you. It's just an amateur video, but I lay out with a whiteboard the exact formula and the exact secrets my mentors taught me. So what you got to find, you got to find mentors. Here's the kitchen. I'm not a very good cook, so I have a chef. That's the one thing I recommend. If you're not a good cook like me, spend some money on having help in the kitchen. Got the garage here. If you like fast cars, got a few fast cars in here. Lamborghini, Ferrari, Maserati. But my books, I love books. So I'll take you over here to the living rooms where I shot this video. So there should be a link. Go ahead and click it. Take you over to my website. It'll show you the exact step-by-step formula that you can use, the secrets to figuring out what you should do with your life. Like I said, you might already be successful, but you know you could be more successful. Got a pond here in the living room. Got some pet fish. This I call the Scarface view up here. For those of you who seen Scarface, say hello to my little friend. It's another cool thing in this house. You got this is the board I'll be laying out when you click the link. It's going to take you here, and I write this out for you. We got a cool front door, but you got an elevator here. Now I don't use this too often, but it's nice if you have a lot of luggage and stuff. Got a little elevator, and oh, you gotta wait for it to be here. Anyway, the door I'll show you. Find your life purpose. Whatever you do, don't stay lost. Got a little door and a big door. This door weighs like 600 pounds. Anyway, click the link. I'll see you in a second over on my website. Like I said, it's all free. You don't have to pay anything. And I'm going to lay out right here 3 things. Click the link, and I'll see you over there in a second.